Now the question before us is, a hemispherical bowl has a diameter of 7 centimeter. What would be the volume of water it would contain? What has been given to us? We have been given diameter of hemispherical bowl. This is the hemispherical bowl, and from this point to this point, this is diameter. This is 7 centimeter. For the purpose of calculation of volume, we will have to calculate the value of R. R means from the center point to this point. This is R, and it will be the half of diameter, and it will be 3.5 centimeter. Now what we have to calculate ultimately is volume of water the hemispherical bowl would contain. If we put water into the hemispherical bowl, the volume of the water it will contain will be equal to the volume of the hemisphere. So now we will calculate this question, answer this question. What we have been given? We have been given diameter. This is 7 centimeter. We know that radius is half of diameter. So radius is 7/2. It is 3.5 centimeter. Now the volume of water hemispherical bowl would contain is equal to volume of hemisphere or hemispherical bowl. Now what is the formula to calculate the volume of hemisphere? It is 2/3 pi r cube. So we will fill in the relevant values. 2/3, what is the value of pi? It is 22/7. It is a mathematical constant. Now we will put in the value of 3.5. We have put in the value of r. It is 3.5. And if we solve all this, we will arrive at 89.8 cubic centimeter. So now this is the answer. Volume of water is equal to 89.8 cubic centimeter. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give star rating to our course.